Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Voya for retirement and insurance document access step by step clearly. First, visit the Voya website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services tab. Select Document Access from the drop-down menu. You will see an option for Authorize Access. Click on this option to begin the authorization process. Next, choose the type of documents you wish to access. Read the provided terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Proceed by clicking the Continue button. You may need to verify your identity through a security prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the identity verification. Once verified, return to the Authorize Access screen. Review the authorization options presented to you. Select the specific accounts or documents you want to authorize. Finally, click on the Submit button to finalize your authorization. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your authorization is complete. Log out of your account for security reasons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.